All right, hey guys, welcome back to the another tutorial from Fantastic Funnels. So yes, I have changed the name of my YouTube channel now. So it is Fantastic Funnels. Now today I got a query from one of my Groove store who is using the Groove platform that he just wanted to know that how we can transfer the data from the Groove mail form submissions to someone's email address, like when somebody is filling out any particular form on the website. So how one can get those information, whatever the form data is available, like maybe first name, last name, email address, phone number, anything which is available in the form while filling out online on the website. So how we can able to get that particular data on our email. So this facility is already available from the Groove sites from the very beginning. So let's go ahead and look into it. So first of all, we need to get into the Groove mail for that. And in order to do that, first of all we need to add recipients. Okay, so when you get into the Groove mail dashboard, and to the left hand side where you see the sender option, okay, you need to click on senders, and then you have recipient option. Like we create the email senders, in the same way you have to add the recipient, and in here we can add any type of emails. It is not necessary that it should be a business email. You can add your normal Gmail account or Yahoo or Hotmail, Outlook, whatever you have, you can add in here. Just click on recipient, and you need to choose one email address. So you see that I have lots of email addresses added in here. So what you have to do, just click on add new recipient, and you need to enter your email recipient name. So I'm just going to have my name, Manu Prasad, recipient test. I'm just giving it a name, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one of my email address. So Manu Prasad email one at gmail.com. This is one of my email address. I'm just going to use it. So here I have filled out my email address. I will create recipient. Upon clicking on create recipient, it has sent like a new recipient has been successfully created. An email for verification has been sent to the provided email address. Previously, what happens when you click on create recipient, it sends the code on the email, and you need to have to enter that code in here to complete the verification process. But now they are sending one email like this do in the email sender. Okay, so I'm just going to check that I have received this email from Groove to recipient. So I will click on verify, and it's done. Now let's go ahead and look close, and I'm just going to turn off the demo mode. Okay, here you can see that Manu Prasad. Previously, what happens, like this name option was not available there, but now with the new updates, the name option is already available. So like you can see that in my all other recipient, the name is not mentioned before, because only the option was available for email address, but now the name option is also coming in there. Now what after doing this, as my recipient is added, so you need to get into the forms. Okay, like this, and whatever the form you have created in here, like let's say that's this the first one, I'm just going to edit this form. We'll go to the setup area, and into the setup area I will go to the very bottom, and here the forward response. Okay, so under the forward response I have two options. Do you want to send the form response to the current account's email, which means that the current account's email, which means that the email address from which your Groove account has been created. Okay, so when you turn on this button, it will send the response to that particular email, or otherwise you can turn off this button, and you can select your recipient to whomever you want to send the data. Okay, so you can just click on this drop down, and you will see all the recipient which you have added in the sender area, and it will be available. So you can see that I guess this one, Manu Prasad email one, is available now. So I can select this, and you can select multiple emails as well, as many as you want. So this is how you can do this. You can select multiple emails and click on next. You can save and click on save and next, and it will be done. So this is how you can able to add an email recipient to receive the data from the form submission. And I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, take care.